I'm on fire. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I'm on fire, but I am here to show you exactly how to dominate fire damage leads, fire properties in your real estate wholesaling business. That's right, I'm on fire, but the amount of wholesaling deals you can get during fire damage properties is enormously on fire. So before I get into the video, guys, please smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the video. Properties, direct mail or cold calling?
You know what answer I'm going to give.
I already know.
I would say direct mail, but that's an awesome list. So fire damage properties is a really good list. And in some areas, it's very difficult to find. So just to let everybody know, the way that I found property damaged homes in Massachusetts is I actually called the firehouse in my town and asked him for a list. And he said, we don't have that list. Usually those, because anytime that the firefighters go out to a home, they have to report that incident. That incident gets reported and collected. So he said, call the city of Boston. Call the city of Boston, had to do the runaround with them to figure out who actually had that property and that data. The data. And finally got in touch with the right person. And now I literally have every single property that has had an issue or fire damage to it in the whole state of Massachusetts. Wow. Not only the property, the date, but the estimated amount of damages.
Wow.
So that is crazy valuable because now I can go down the list and say, all right, show me all the properties that were damaged in this town that have over 50 grand in damage, right? So now that tells me that there's pretty significant damage and they might want to sell, collect the insurance money, just sell the property, make the difference up, and it's an easy purchase.
And what is the ad copy you do on that one?
So for most of these, I do pretty standardized ad copy.
Okay.
I tried and tested going with a more specific route. And what I found is I actually could offend people more likely when I sent a mail piece that talked about their specific reason of an issue, right? And again, I don't want people to get offended until they talk to me, of course. but I want to do like just a very general statement. So when they do call me back, as soon as they call me back, depending on the phone number they call me, right, it's a tracking number. So when they call in through a specific number, it might say, oh, it's a probate caller. So I know how to gear my questioning when I talk to them. And I gear it in a way that's not like, hey, I know that somebody passed away. It sounds more like, like just we're going through the checkpoints and I'm asking them different questions. And I might, so I might get to the point of asking them if anybody else is on the property. And if they were like, yeah, but he just passed away. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Right. I got that information, but it didn't directly come out and ask. And it's done in much more of a subtle way.
Justin, I'm telling you, it took me 2 years for probate, like before I figured that out. It's with cold calling. Matt, that's insane. But you guys heard that. You should definitely hop on that as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.